Hi, everybody. I hope you had a nice weekend. This week, we're going to do some more trigonometry. Today is nothing too new. Tomorrow will be something new on the calculator. Just a note that your weekly assignment is also posted. That is due Friday at 8 p.m. again. So make sure you check the assignments tab. Okay. I'm going to just give you some hints on this and talk about two new terms, and that's all for today. So this first one, you are a block away from a skyscraper that is 780 feet tall. Your friend is between the skyscraper and yourself. The angle of elevation, that is one of the new terms we're going to talk about. The angle of elevation from your position to the top of the skyscraper is 42 degrees. So this is your angle of elevation. And your friend's angle of elevation is 71 degrees. To the nearest foot, how far are you from your friend? So you want to find this. Now, I'm not going to do this. I'm going to let you do it. But I'm going to tell you that you have to remember that trigonometry only works for right triangles. And if you notice here, we have one right triangle here and another right triangle here. So you can solve for your distance x, but really what you have to do, think about it. You can find the total distance that you are from the building. Let's call that y. You can find the distance your friend is from the building. Let's call that z, because both of those involve the right triangles. And then if you want to get x, you will take y and subtract z. So you cannot directly find the length x because x is not part of a right triangle. But y and z are. Okay? I'm going to let you try to do the rest of that. So the two terms I'm talking about today, angle of elevation we just talked about, and then the other one's angle of depression. Okay? The only thing you have to know is that the angle of elevation, it's like you're looking straight out, right? So look straight ahead of you. The amount you look up, the angle that you're looking up, that is your angle of elevation, how much you are elevating your eyes. Okay? Whereas the angle of depression, you're still looking straight out, but the degrees that you're looking down, right? The amount that you're looking down is your angle of depression. And this type of diagram should look similar to something you did at the beginning of the year. Notice what I'm highlighting. What do you know about angle 1 and angle 2? Hopefully you realize that they are congruent because of, did you think of the term yet? Because they're alternate interior angles, right? So the angle of elevation is congruent to your angle of depression because they are alternate interior angles. Of course, I had to say they're parallel lines cut by a transversal. Interior else. Okay, that's it. So I just have a couple of questions for you to do. 3 questions in total, and we already started the first one. Okay, and then I'll post the enter key later on. Like I said, hope you're all doing well, and I will Zoom with you soon.